Alright, today we are going to talk about invasion games. We play a lot of invasion games in PE. If we were in PE, but we're not, so we're going to just learn about them. Since you all are in 7th grade, you will learn about them now, and then when you get into 8th grade, when we finally get back to school, you'll already know what they are and some examples of them. So today, all you're doing is reading the article that I'm giving you. I'm going to give you two, and you are going to come down here and tell me what it is. So you're going to give me the definition, and then you're going to come down here and just give me one example. I'll go ahead and put that. Give one example. So put your definition right here, give your example, put it right there. So the two articles, we have this article. The definitions are up top, and right here, down here, there's some examples, and you can read a little bit behind the name of each example. And then we have this website. So it says, what are invasion games? And this just gives an overall definition as well. And then if you wanted to, you could even watch some of these videos to see, what they look like and kind of get a good idea for what they are. I see 6 here, so it'd be nice if you watched at least one just to kind of go over it and get familiar with it so you can actually see what it is instead of just reading a definition and, learning about it. I would like for y'all to actually pick a video and watch it. So here's one article, and then the other. I don't need both definitions from both sites. You can pick one or you can pick the other. It doesn't matter to me. And then when you find your example, make sure you come put it down here. So I did all your grades for all of your activity logs the last 2 weeks. A lot of you got zeros because you turned in blank documents. So as long as you continue to turn in blank documents, I'm going to give you zeros, and I'm probably not going to change them because y'all are purposely turning in blank documents. So just make sure you're doing your work. I give y'all easy stuff to do so you're not stressed out. So it just takes no time to do my activities, and just make sure you turn them in. And if you're turning in any later missing work, shoot me an email so I can change it in a grade book. And just remember to take attendance. And that's all we're doing today. Invasion games.